time is it's 7:12. The long drive down to the Gold Coast from Brizzy wasn't too bad this morning. Traffic was pretty good, but now I'm just going to duck down and grab myself a coffee. One of the cool things when we got to site this morning, the Stratco truck was there delivering the replacement sheets, and it looks like there was 2 sheets in there. So hopefully they've given us a bonus one. Might be because they one might be damaged and it's sacrificial. So g'day Cladding, and welcome back to the house here at Varsity Lakes, where we're throwing on the blue gum mat. Now, if you haven't seen episodes 1 and 2, please go back and watch them, because then it will put things into context as to where we are right now. G'day Cladding, I'm Kenny, and I'm talking blue gum mat in Varsity Lakes. This is going to be a special project. This will be the first house facelifted using the new contemporary colour from Colorbond. It will be in a standing seam. Now join us on the journey from start to finish to see what happens, see how it all comes about, and watch the MyCladders team in action. All right, let's not waste any more time. Let's get into the job. On the doing this cladding above this hood right here, and I just thought I'd show you one thing that we do when installing the sheets. It'll help you to make sure you get a bit more of a seamless look and finish. Reason being is when you're laying, not everything's perfect. Sometimes you can lift the sheet a bit, you're going to turn it, you're going to try and keep it square. And so one thing that we do is we cut the bottom, we cut that little leg off there. And the other thing then, which hasn't been done yet on this one, is cut the bottom. This is the bottom of the sheet. It's just to cut this 45 there, so that when the next sheet clips over the top, if you've got to lift it a tiny bit, you're only going to see the bottom tiny bit right there. Anyway, we'll get back into it. Ed and Jared, they're around the side, finishing up the side flashings and putting on the sheet, the receiver channel, ready to receive the corner sheet on the back corner of the house. Are you working on that head flashing there, Ed?
Yes.
Hey, how do you like that new ruler?
Pretty handy.
It's good, isn't it? Because you can pull it apart and you can...
Yeah, you can play with it.
So it's like a toy. Some scaffolds down, and we've already got the front face of the house. The cladding's done, a few flashings still have to go to do that, but the cladding up the top is done and it's looking pretty impressive. The corner went on and we went both ways. We went to the right and went to the left, and as you can see there's still scaffold in the way on one side, so we can't show you the whole picture, but it just looks amazing. This blue gum mat, you wait till you see it in person, because the sun's shining on this blue gum mat, it sparkles, it just looks absolutely amazing. So today, I just want to update you as to where we've come through, and I'm going to take you for a walk right now, show you to the boys, and they can show you what they're doing, and give you a bit of update of where we're at. That's basically where it is, and then tomorrow we'll do some more, and that'll be part of episode 4, or episode 5, because I think this might actually be episode 4. It's still got another one to make. Anyway, let me take you for a walk to show you what we've done. So as you can see on this wall, we've got 4 different horizontal windows, and so there's a head flashing and a toe flashing. That's the one that the boy's about to put on now. Head flashing, toe mold, then toe flashing or heel flashing, another head flashing, another heel flashing, then there's another one and that. So when we put these sheets on, we're going to have that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cutouts that all have to match perfectly to slide that sheet in, and they go up underneath the receiver channel at the top as well. So that one will be impressive when that goes in. The flashing I picked up this morning, that because this one over here, Jared had made a boo-boo the other day. He made a boo-boo the other. We all make boo-boos, right? It just seems to always happen to the same.
Everybody makes mistakes.
Yeah, we do.
Those days.
We do. It just happens to be the one same flashing. Maybe that flashing is jinxed.
It's cursed. The cursed flashing.
All right. So here we have that. There is a toe mold, and this is a bit of a cut section that Josh did the other day that we were talking about in the video. In there, and then you can see we've got this flashing which runs all the way up the sides, all the way up there, up the side of the fin. And then we have here, this here is a head flashing, so the sheet sits down onto here and water runs out over the top of that. That sits on there nicely. We have here is a heel flashing. You can see, because of how deep this 40mm foam is, these flashings tuck a long way back in and give them a really nice picture frame effect and how far they protrude out. Also giving heaps and heaps of waterproofing, a lot more weather protection from here. What you doing up there, Jared?
Just chucking on a U-channel flashing.
Beautiful. What's that for?
Keep water out.
Love it. And then behind there you got Ed hiding behind there. Let me see if I can get a... And that's called representing MyCladders.